Hey everyone, this is Tim from YourSixStudios. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to change your language preference for your Steam games on your Steam Deck. So on the home screen here, let's just go up to the top and go to our profile. Then go down to account details. And then scroll on down under here. And on the left side, we should have language preferences. And it says primary language. When possible, display content in this language. And these are the different options. Then we can go on down to the secondary language. Also show me content in these languages such as store page, descriptions, user reviews if not available in my primary language. And it looks like we got some more languages under here. Let's see, I don't see Tagalog. Is there Filipino under here or anything like that? So if you're in Southeast Asia, you may not have all of these languages. Then we can go on down. It says additional game content. These languages are not supported for Steam UI, store page descriptions, or user content, but may be supported in individual games. So this list is quite a bit longer. Now we can also press the Steam button, go on down to settings, and there should be an option here just for language. So just look in the settings as well, and we should be able to change the language in here. So just under general, English. And I believe we can do this on the games too. So we can go to the home screen, go over the game, make sure it's a Steam game, and then go to properties. And we can see the game resolution right here. But hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech out videos coming up next on YourSixStudios.